Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas gnome Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to be using some of the booty ornaments from Dollar Tree, Santa hat, and 2 Christmas trees. Now, the Christmas trees are going to be Santa spirit, so I chose white, but you could always do it in green as well. You're going to need 2 of those, and you don't really need the stands, but I thought they were cool, so I thought I would save them for another project. What we're going to do is make the beard out of the 2 trees together, and we're actually going to make this be a freestanding little Christmas gnome using the Dollar Tree booties. They have a couple different patterns of those. Those are the red and white snowflake ones. They're so cute. I'm going to go ahead and start fluffing out our tree, which is going to be our gnome beard. You're definitely going to need 2 of these to make it work. I'm just folding the end of it over on top of itself and then out like that to form a little foot. That is actually going to be a gnome foot that's going to go in that booty. Now I'm going to do the same thing here on the second tree, again folding it on itself and then folding it out into a little foot. And then you just simply slide on the booties. Can't get much easier for that than a standing gnome, right? Just put it in there until it feels secure. And that is going to be half of our little gnome's body. This is going to be the other half. And the tree itself is going to be his beard. Now to keep it all together, I just take some Dollar Tree floral foam and I just poke them both in there exactly how I want them, kind of slightly going out a little bit to the sides. That's going to keep everything together, and then it's time to add a Santa hat. Now I chose the Dollar Tree sequins hat because I wanted some bling on this project, but you could totally use the fluffy one as well. Just trying it on for size, and I decided that it was a little bit too large to fit on there snugly, so I'm going to show you just a quick easy way to make this smaller. Just put it inside out, and you can use hot glue to glue it to itself, making the seam smaller here on the inside. And I'm going to do that on both sides to make it a more narrow hat that's going to fit snugly on this little gnome. I just simply wait for that to set up and dry, turn it back inside out, and I think this is going to work perfectly. How cute is the sequins? I went ahead and reinforced it a little bit here on the outside because I saw that one side was coming apart a little bit, and I did it down here on the other side where it was also doing that. Now that it's all set up, I can go ahead and slide in the beard for the Santa gnome. Isn't this so fun? I love this DIY. This would be a great DIY to get little ones involved in as well. I think they would really enjoy making different ones. I thought the hat was a little long, so I kind of folded it up on itself and kind of made that shorter too. So I think this was an adult size. Maybe if you could find a child size hat, you might not have to size it down like I did for this little Santa gnome, but it was pretty easy to do. Now for the nose, I wanted to use a Christmas ornament. I thought that would be so cute. So I picked up some Christmas ornaments from the Dollar Tree. Not really the mini ones, kind of like the medium size ones, I would say. And I'm going to use a gold one, just attaching it with hot glue underneath the Santa hat. And that can be the little gnome or gonk nose. And then for the hat itself, I kind of want it to kind of droop down on itself like that. I don't want it to stand straight up. Since I did the gold nose, I decided to add a little gold bling to his booties too, with some of the gold jingle bells from the Dollar Tree. I just went ahead and attached those to the little strings here on his booties instead of the pom-poms that were on there, just to bring a little sparkle to his boots as well. That looks so cute, and I can't wait to display him for Christmas. This is how he turned out. I think he is adorable.